Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben. Hi, friends. How are you today?
Yes, how are you feeling? Happy? Sleepy? Hungry? Excited? We hope you are feeling good today.
We are so happy you are here with us. Thank you for listening.
Today, we are going to talk about a very simple topic, but it's useful. The topic is a day in our lives.
That means we will tell you about our normal day, morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
And we will use easy English so you can understand. Remember, if you don't understand every word, it's okay. Just listen, relax, and try to catch the main ideas.
Yes, don't worry. The more you listen, the more you learn. Listening many times helps your brain remember.
Okay, let's start with the morning. Then, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes.
Right, wake up. I usually wake up at 6:30, but sometimes I feel very tired, and I press the snooze button on my alarm clock.
Oh, yes, the snooze button. Many people use the snooze button. Do you know snooze? Snooze means a short extra sleep, maybe 5 or 10 minutes.
Yes, so I snooze maybe one time or two times, and then I finally get up. Get up means leave the bed.
That's a good point, Emma. Wake up is open your eyes, but get up is leave your bed. Two useful phrases.
Exactly. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes I take a shower.
I do the same. I brush my teeth every morning. Do you brush your teeth once a day or twice? I brush twice, morning and night.
Me too. It's healthy for your teeth. And after brushing, I drink a glass of water. Cold water helps me feel awake.
That's smart. I usually drink coffee in the morning. Coffee helps me feel more energetic. Energetic means I have more energy.
Yes, many people like coffee, but I prefer tea. Tea is softer, not so strong.
So, after drinking, what do you usually eat for breakfast, Emma?
For breakfast, I usually eat toast with butter and jam. Jam is a sweet fruit spread, like strawberry jam or apricot jam. Sometimes I also eat an egg.
That sounds good. I usually eat cereal with milk, and sometimes I eat fruit, like a banana or an apple.
Fruit in the morning is very healthy. So, listeners, what about you? What do you eat for breakfast? Bread? Rice? Maybe soup?
Yes, in different countries, breakfast is different. Some people eat rice, some people eat bread, some people eat cheese or meat. Breakfast is special everywhere.
After breakfast, I usually go to work. I walk to the bus stop and I take the bus. On the bus, I sometimes listen to music or read a book.
Oh, that's nice. I usually ride my bicycle to work. Riding a bicycle is good exercise, and it's fun.
Yes, that's healthy. So, when you arrive at work, what do you do first?
At work, the first thing I do is check my emails. Then I look at my schedule. Schedule means a plan for the day.
I also check my emails first. Then I go to a meeting with my team. A team is a group of people who work together.
Work can be busy, but also interesting. Sometimes I write reports, sometimes I make phone calls.
Yes, sometimes I talk with coworkers. Coworkers are the people you work with.
Okay, now let's move to the afternoon. In the afternoon, I usually have lunch at 12:30.
I usually eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
For lunch, I like sandwiches, chicken sandwiches, cheese sandwiches. Sometimes I eat salad.
Oh, nice. I usually eat salad too, with vegetables like lettuce, cucumber, and tomato. And sometimes I eat soup with bread.
That sounds good. Lunch is very important. It gives us energy for the rest of the day.
Yes, after lunch, I continue working. I answer messages and I write notes.
In the afternoon, I sometimes feel a little tired, so I take a short break. A break means a little rest, maybe 5 or 10 minutes.
That's true. Breaks are good for our health. During a break, I like to stand up and stretch. Stretch means move your body and arms to feel relaxed.
I also like stretching, or sometimes I just drink water.
Yes, water is always good. Okay, now the evening. What do you usually do after work, Ben?
After work, I usually go home. At home, I cook dinner. I like to cook pasta with vegetables, sometimes rice, sometimes fish.
That sounds delicious. I also cook dinner, but sometimes I order food from a restaurant. Ordering food means asking a restaurant to bring food to your home.
Yes, that's very convenient, but cooking at home is healthier.
True. After dinner, I usually watch TV or play video games. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park.
That's good exercise. I usually read a book after dinner, or sometimes I watch a movie.
Do you watch English movies? Yes, sometimes. Watching movies in English is a good way to learn. You can listen to the words and see the subtitles. Subtitles are the words on the screen.
That's a good tip for our listeners. Watch English TV, listen to English music, practice every day.
Finally, the nighttime. Before bed, I brush my teeth again, then I read a little bit, and I go to sleep at 11 o'clock.
I usually go to sleep around 10:30. But before that, I sometimes check my phone or listen to quiet music.
Sleep is very important. We need good sleep for our health and for energy the next day.
Yes, without sleep, it's very hard to work or study.
That's true. So now you know about our day. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
And we practiced many useful English words. Wake up, get up, brush your teeth, snooze, schedule, coworker, break, stretch, dinner, order food, and more.
You can try to use these words in your own English practice. Maybe write about your day in English.
Yes, you can write, in the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock, I eat breakfast, I go to school. Very simple sentences, but very good practice.
Well, I think it's time to say goodbye for today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe to our channel.
And please like this video, it helps us a lot.
We are very happy you are learning English with us.
Yes, keep practicing every day. Even 10 minutes a day will help you.
Okay, goodbye everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.